Hello everyone, today we're going to be reviewing some slimes that I got from Five and Below. You know what, I got three, a little bit of a variety. So first we have the Dino slime egg, right, it's got a green dinosaur on it. And next we have strawberry scented retro slime goop. Pretty excited about this one. Very excited actually. And saved the best for last. We have the cherry scented disco slime goop. Now this one's gonna be really interesting. You know, disco? Never heard of that before. Throw the Five and Below bag away. So, you know, I think it makes sense to start with the outlier, the Dino egg. And as I can see from the packaging, ages 5 and up. It's a good thing I'm 5 and up. Adult supervision required. And apparently there's a dinosaur collectible. I don't know if you can see that. It says dinosaur collectible. That's gonna be really interesting. You know, I'm pretty excited to actually see what I get from this slime. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so after opening up all the package, as you can see right here, all the dirty plasticness, I think you just, you know, pull the lid like this, twist it a little bit, and there you go. There you have it. You are, you know, open to Pandora's box. And you know, first impressions, a little stiff, alright, a little stiff, not that gooey, but this is just the top of it. So, you know, let's get deeper inside and let's see what kind of dinosaur I get, you know. So I'm just gonna, you know, make a little scoop. Oh, take a listen to these sounds. Those are some slime sounds if I ever heard of them. So, ripped a little piece. We're just gonna put that there. I made sure to clean the floor as to no debris would get inside the slime. Just gonna scoop it all out until I get to the juicy part, which is that dinosaur. Okay, it's proving to be a little difficult. You know, I don't know what normal kid is going to be able to do this. Looks like there's glitter on the bottom or something. I don't know what that is. And I think that's all of it. As you can see, it's a little exposed. This is apparently the heart of the slime. And I think I can see my prize in there. So let me just fish that out. Oh wait, there's multiple prizes. Hold on. I was under the impression there was only one. But no, apparently it appears to be three. 3 dinosaurs in one. So we'll just take out the first one. Here we go. It appears to be some sort of theropod. You know, definitely no T-Rex. We're gonna put that back into the slime. Next up we have, what is this? Oh, this looks like a, what is that? I don't know if you can see that. It's like a Dilophosaurus. You know? Just gonna put that back in there. And wait a minute. It's not 3, it's 4. Wait, I just got the whole bundle. Sauropod. And last but not least, we have a Stegosaurid. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little goopy stuff on there. I do like the touch of the confetti. Definitely, it's a lot colder and, gushy than I first expected. And, I'm just gonna play around with it, you know, get a feel. I don't know if you can hear that. It's very easy to break, I will say that. You know, it's some good slime, alright? It's professional. And I think I'm gonna put this back. You know, I had my fun with it. Texture, I'm gonna give a 6 out of 10. Detail, definitely 7 out of 10. And overall, 6 out of 10. Decent, but it could be a lot better. Just gonna put that back in there. It's very easy to put that. Alright, on to the next. Alright, so next up we have the strawberry scented retro slimy gloop, sorry, pre-made and ready to play. So, you know, first glance it looks like your regular slime, but there's a lot of little like sparkly bits. I don't know if you can, you can definitely see that. I mean, you got stars, hexagons, lots of shapes, hearts, you know, it's very glittery. So the box is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, pretty good. Not as good as the dinosaur egg, because it's a pretty good packaging on their part. So I'm just gonna use some scissors. Open this up. Now I feel like I'm Indiana Jones opening up some treasure. Alright, we're gonna just yank some of this off. Some of it has gotten stuck to the like safety top. But I think we're good. And actually, I just saw something pretty cool. Look at this. Now there were emojis on the package. I don't know if you saw earlier, and I think they put some in here. So definitely no false advertisement. So first impressions, we're just gonna. Ooh, okay. Okay. Interesting. Right, now this definitely feels a lot more like slime. More so than the dinosaur egg. First impressions are pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So we're just gonna take some out and we're gonna play around with it, get a feel. And we're just gonna scoop this up. Don't wanna get too much. Put that to the side. Let's see what we got here. So, you know, a very good feel. And I'm already getting the scent. Now it says strawberry scented. Let's smell. Okay. Alright, so they weren't lying. I'm gonna keep on going through the day with hands smelling like strawberry because, wow, this is pretty, the aroma is really strong, actually. And it's a good one, too. I'm not gonna lie. It's not like ugly strawberry. It's like premium strawberry lemonade at a restaurant. Pretty good. This was the emoji I was talking about earlier. So far, it's pretty good to play around with, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely gonna see me using this in the future. Yeah, I mean, it's not super liquidy, where it's like sticking everywhere. It's close to that, but it's not. It's like edging it, which is pretty cool because it gives this really, obviously slimy texture, but it feels a lot better than the dinosaur goop. So I really like the look to this one, the feel, and the detail with the smell and the little trinkets inside. Yeah, my hands smell like strawberry. So I'm gonna go with 8 out of 10. This is a very good slime. If you want, something safe, something to bring back to the kids, this is your go-to, alright? Christmas is coming soon, so if you're looking for any slimes, strawberry scented retro slimy glue is the way to go. And, I might be checking out the other scents. That's how impressed I am with this one. Let's move on. Right. Final slime out of the 3 that I got from 5 and Below. We have cherry scented disco slimy glue. I believe this comes from the same company as the retro slimy glue. Because if you put them side to side, very similar. And it looks very similar to the retro slimy glue, but it is disco, so it's different. So let's see what it has in store. Whoa, wait a minute, I'm already smelling it from here, and it's not the good kind. It smells like those cherry medicines you have to take. Okay, so after opening up the disco slimy goop, I am bombarded with cherry aroma. Personally, I don't really like cherries, nor the smell. And I randomly chose this off the shelf, and I'm starting to regret it because it's really getting into my nostrils. So first impressions are not starting off well. However, this texture, maybe it's saving grace. Look at that. Do you see what's in there? Those appear to be stars, squares, and other various geometrical figures. They're really aiding in this slime's performance. I'm just gonna scoop out a little bit here. It doesn't look like a lot of slime in the container, but for below $5 at 5 and Below, it's pretty good. So let's play around with this. The texture is really fun. I will say it's kind of crunchy. You can hear this? It's crunchy. You know, that's something I enjoy from some slimes. The texture is better than the retro, but the smell, it's just... I mean, if you're willing to put aside the stench, then this slime is the one. Yeah, I mean, this one has the best texture out of all of them. Hands down. Alright, so let's see the results. Alright, so in the end, I've come down to my conclusion. Alright, we started off with the dinosaur egg, and we moved on to the retro slime, and then we moved to the disco slime. Dinosaur slime, I love the concept, right? A little toy inside of a dinosaur, and it's in the shape of an egg. Really fun packaging, really fun idea, but the slime itself was nothing special. A little disappointing, actually. So I'm gonna have to put this third on my list. And then we reviewed retro slime and disco slime. They're not that different, other than the, you know, the smell and the theme they're going for. However, if you like the smell more, this is the safer option, definitely. But if you want something more out there, you know, more like in a specialized community, this is taking the cake. I mean, the texture, the feel, the overall hands-on experience is just phenomenal. Oops, low battery. So I mean, you're down to two options, and I can't choose. Smell, or feel. And that's what it comes down to. And yeah, so that's my review of these 3 slimes from Five and Below. I hope you enjoyed my little review, and yeah.